Alright, what's up? This is my shout out video. And my first shout out goes to Obey Ariana. You cool people, we was just talking right now. My second shout out goes to Lania, or something like that. You got a long ass name, but yeah, what's up? My first one go to J Penny, you my cousin, what's up? My next one go to it's Monica, but what's up? I was just talking to you earlier. My next one goes to Raquel Starling, what's up? My next one go to Jessica. I was just talking to your kid, but you guys never kicked me back. Come on, man. My next one go to Brittany Walkers. I don't know you like that, so but what's up? Goes to Jonita or something like that. What's up? I don't know you like that either. My next one go to Nia Williams. You my ex. I was about to say my cousin, but you my ex, and yeah, I think you're still mad at me because you never inboxed me back and shit. But it's cool though. My next one go to Nina Smith. I don't know you like that either, but what's up? Pretty girl. Kielza. I don't know how to say that shit, but yeah, you know who you is. Pretty girl, Kielza, something like that. But yeah, what's up? I was just talking to you earlier too. Taylor Belts. I don't know you like that, but what's up? Alyssa Smith. I don't know you. Yeah. Hey, my nigga Treasure Coates. But you know I fucking love you, man. We had the most fun at school, man. That shit was live as fuck when I was there. But not that whole gone since I'm gone. My next one go to Brittany So Gone Cold. I don't know you like that either. But what's up? Oh, hold on. Let me go look at my other part. Okay, still going. Brittany Walkers. Nisha on off. Okay, I don't know you like that either. My nigga Brandon, bro. But you remember all this shit we used to do, bro. Walked around and tearing them house and everything, bro. The cars, everything, bro. You my nigga for like 3 years now, bro. You always need to come back to Houston, nigga. For real. This shit boring as fuck in my apartments, my nigga. Jonita, I don't know you. Yeah, I don't know you. Jenna, what's up? Makeup baddest, blah blah blah. I don't know you like that, but what's up? Larry, I remember you from Kilo. A lot of shit happened, you know. You was nasty as fuck. But yeah, what's up? For the other people who don't like my shit, well, fuck y'all. Like this shit another time, bro. I love you, bro. Not all of y'all. Some of y'all niggas be gay, inboxing me and shit talking about what's up, baby. Like, get the fuck on somewhere, bro. And my last one go to Diamond. I mean, I'm always talking to you, always there for me. I mean, even you my ex and shit, you still talk to me, don't disrespect, nothing like that. You real as fuck, you know? Yeah, you should inbox me. No, actually, you kicking me right now. You should call my phone, yeah. You should call me. Alright, baby. Bye.